There's a lot of noise out there. You'll be forgiven for wondering, is anyone listening? We're pushed for time, but we're so easily distracted. Kitten clips on YouTube have racked up billions of views. Shouting for attention doesn't always work. It's hard to compete with the likes of Scratchy here. But if you play smarter, there's a way for your business to grab more attention. According to Number Crunchers, if your website has a well-crafted film explaining your products and services, the likelihood of someone browsing and becoming a new customer or client increases by 85%. Crafting more thoughtfully produced content with depth and insight tells the world you're more than a logo. Behind what you offer is passion and purpose, values your customers and clients will align with. We work with all types of companies, campaigns and causes to help them connect in a more meaningful and authentic way. So let's roll up our sleeves and work together. We'll help tell your story and create content for your website that you can also share across your social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. We'll cut through some of that noise so you won't have to shout.